Hello, Zimbabwe. A very good evening. Maswera say, Maswera say, Maswera say. Welcome to Africa Independent Television Network, where we give you the latest trending news in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. Let us talk about this ZANU-PF propagandist Rutendo, who has been shamed by a South African High Court over some defamatory statements. So, according to ZimLive, they say INSCO wins takedown order over defamatory videos by ZANU-PF activists, and this is about Rutando Matinyarare, who claimed INSCO was destroying the taste of Zimbabwean food and labeled its founder, whose parents are from Greece, Erodi. So this matter set before a judge, a High Court judge in Johannesburg, and they ruled that the claims were defamatory, leaving him facing a damages claim from INSCO and Kudunaris, as well as a huge legal bill. So the interim order, which was obtained by INSCO on January 9, directed Matinyarare, who appeared on South African television several times supporting ZANU-PF government, to delete 2 defamatory tweets, a post on his website, and a video posted on his Facebook page. So ZimLive made a search, and he appeared to have removed the content by around Tuesday, that is today. So Matinyarare is a South African resident, and he has a culture of recording and writing on his website, making critique, especially of the companies owned by multinational companies or owned by white people. And he has been taking a swipe on the monopoly of INSCO and the person called Kudunaris, who is the owner of INSCO, and he was labeled a Rodi. So this is a term which was used to refer to the British colonialists, and according to this paper, Kudunaris was born in Zimbabwe, and his parents moved from Greece, and it doesn't fit into that category of being a Rodi. So Justice Namhla Tina Siwendu of the Gauteng Division of the High Court of South Africa, sitting in Johannesburg, also said that Matinyarare was interdicted and restrained from publishing any of the defamatory statements contained in the articles and video, which he ordered to be taken down, which means in the future, Rutendo Matinyarare can no longer be allowed to publish or to upload such kind of videos. So those are really, these are people who have used the Zimbabwean courts. We have abused the Zimbabwean courts so much that they believe that they have monopoly over each and every court. They've also abused the South African courts several times. Remember, Rutendo is approaching the South African courts together with his friends several times. They've approached the South African courts trying to impose some rules and orders on the South African people. And this time around, he lost this case. So the Kudunaris and INSCO, they have 30 days to claim or to make massive damages claim if they intend to do so. If they fail to do so within 30 days, then it will fall away. So on the other hand, Rutendo faces a huge legal bill, and also if they come to seek the civil damages, and it will be something very, very, very high. So we do not know how Rutendo is going to continue to maneuver within the borders of South Africa, because down there they don't joke. If an order is given for monies to be recovered, then definitely these people will come after you. These people went after Julius Malema and several South African prominent people. What more a mere poor Zimbabwean? They will take everything and anything from him. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. It's a lesson to ZANU-PF propagandists to say, you do all these things, but one day you'll be alone. The South African courts are not captured as the Zimbabwean courts, where politics directs everything. So INSCO does have interests in other stock exchange listed companies like Padenga, Exia Holdings, Simbisa Brands. And if you take a look in Zimbabwe, it is one of the largest conglomerates which are rightly running and operating in Zimbabwe. They own Qualcomm, they own National Foods, Capri, Profits, ProBrands, Nutpack, and Ivins. So basically, the economy of Zimbabwe, um, if you are to talk about INSCO, it does have a lot of interest in the economy of Zimbabwe and is servicing the biggest chunk of our economy. Go to the issues of mukaka, nyama, chichi, mazai zvese, INSCO is on the forefront. So ndozvazviri Team Zimbabwe, we do not know kuti vachazvigona here varutendo Matinyarare. In the comment section, please let us have a discussion. What do you think about this?